Fruit flies love to hang out on the cheesecloth on top of your kombucha. They can be really gross if they ever get in, but mostly they are just an embarrassing nuisance. The first step is to keep your kitchen clean and get rid of any and all produce, especially fruit, before it's rotting. You want your fruit fly trap to be the most enticing thing in the room, and fruit flies love rotting fruit. They also love kombucha, but there is one thing we found they love most, which is available cheaply year-round. It's bananas. One banana can easily make 5 traps. We encourage you to get organic bananas, and we found they work even better. Choose bananas that are just starting to turn brown, although you can also use the older bananas that you just don't want to eat. Choose a cup that is a little bit V-shaped. The banana goes in the cup and put some plastic wrap over the top carefully with dry hands, and you need to make sure that the wrap stretches across the top of the cup and creates a tight seal. Then you're going to poke 2 to 3 holes that are just big enough for fruit flies to fit in, and they will not be skilled enough flyers to get out. Just put that trap near your kombucha or wherever the fruit flies are hanging out, and usually overnight most of them will end up in the trap. After 3 or 4 days, the banana will start really rotting, and just get rid of the trap. The fruit flies will also create larvae and multiply, so you really need to kill the fruit flies. How you choose to do that is up to you, but please choose a non-chemical and non-torturous option. We like to just shake up the cup with the banana and hope that the fruit flies die happy. My apologies to all the fruit flies that will be killed because of this video for just wanting some tasty booch, but it's for the good of my SCOBY bacteria friends. Peace, yo!